I am sitting on a cement bench in the middle of two railroad tracks about 1 kilometer outside of Hua Lamphong Railroad Station in Bangkok. Now here comes a little train. I think it's only one car. I don't know what he's doing. But if you sit here and watch this with me, you're going to see all kinds of people. All kinds of people coming in and out, going across the railroad tracks. Now, as you can tell, there is a rather large ghetto community that we are shooting in right here. I'm sitting on a cement bench in between the tracks that people actually sit on to catch trains coming out of Hua Lamphong. Now here's a train on our extreme right part of the screen coming out of Hua Lamphong station. Now over there by the bushes where those people are coming out, that is a back entrance into Bo Pei Wholesale Market. Yes, you can do your shopping there and buy a dozen shirts at a time. Now, what are those people doing with those little picnic benches and stuff? Well, those are like little coffee shops and places where they sell food for the residents of this little community over here. Oh, what's that directly in front of me? That is some lady who is hanging her washing out on the railroad tracks. Yes, her laundry is drying. Now, there's a couple of guys carrying what they call a hot pot. That's a pot of food, usually a soup type item that they probably made on one restaurant on that side, and they're bringing it over to the other side. Now, there's a couple of backpackers cutting in front of me over here, walking along the track. They probably stay up in the Khao San Road section of Bangkok. What these trains are doing, they are coupling and uncoupling cars. That's why they come out, stop, and back into the railroad station. Yep, there's those guys again carrying another hot pot. It's probably about 90 degrees on this hot, humid day. We're in the rainy season in Bangkok. It's been raining on and off all day.